YouTube. What the fuck going on? Goddamn.
Driving like this. Hell nah, nigga.
What? Why?
Hell nah, nigga.
You did.
They got 45 remotes.
They got every light imaginable on this shit. Yo, shut up. Baby boy.
He do got every light imaginable.
Oh, glad. Goddamn. You did. It's finally warm as fuck outside. Don't gotta wear no hoodies all the damn time. But we at the crib right now. Finna go shopping. Goddamn. Wash the car, take the hoods off, and head out to Richmond.
Hood off in the reach.
Say what?
You take your hood off?
Hood off in the reach. Y'all wanna go hoods off in the reach?
You take it off. I ain't never took my shit off before. For real? Well, I have. I changed my shit.
Nah, you might as well, because your shit already gonna be open, so I'm sorry.
Yo.
That's crazy.
It's not gonna be able to remote start, and then you gonna have to run to your shit, man.
For real?
Yeah.
Oh, fuck.
Are you good, bro? We good. But yeah. Yeah.
Here you go.
Hey, bro. As y'all seen in 2 videos ago, shit is still a bucket. Shit is still a bucket. Goddamn. This clip right here. Oh, what? Goddamn. That's what happened, bro. The whole bash bar is fucked. But I ordered one and it come on Monday. So we're gonna be straight. No longer, well, it's still gonna be a bucket. This shit's forever a bucket. But goddamn, you did. It's gonna be less of a bucket than what it is right now. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, smooth shit. Oh, you right. What up, twin? Huh? What happened? Oh. I just ended the clip. I'm back with another clip. What the fuck going on? Got a motherfucking tire in this bitch. Yo. Let's sit right here, son.
One day plus the 40.
Only one day. What up, son? Chillin'. He about to put them tires on them rims.
Okay.
Alright, good. Look, let's see if they got my tires, check. Damn, they got hella tires in this bitch. Let's see. These is good slide. Oh my god. Good sliding tires.
What are big tires?
These are the best sliding tires, bro. 295s. The best ones. That's what I slide on.
What you got on now?
I got 305s on.
Oh, 19.
Oh, that's a 19. They don't got none of our shit. Well, they got one right here. Oh, this is the same shit I got. That shit's ass.
It's trash?
Yeah, it's ass. That shit fucking sucks. They don't got none.
You burn it through this like 1/3.
They don't got none.
I don't know why leave taking that shit.
Bro, I told him this morning he can come get my keys to the storage unit and get that shit.
Or I could have did it for him since he was working on somebody's car. He always last minute.
Bro, he wasn't even working on that car till after the fact. Cause I told him this morning. And then Mir hit me up about somebody that does oil changes at like 1. And then I told him about leave. And he went over there.
You ain't calling me at 9:30. I said, what the fuck is going on today?
Bitch. He calls me at 9:30 every day.
In the morning?
Cute boy. Yeah, we be on the phone all day.
$1? Yeah. Like a dollar bill? Yes. Hell no.
I got that.
Bro, I have 39 and he's telling me it's 40.
Bro. Yeah.
I'm like, come on, gang. They were like, front me. I got a nug for you.
Come on, bro.
Alright, y'all. I'm about to put y'all up until we get to the fucking wherever the fuck, gang. I don't even know if we're gonna make it, gang.
Yeah, we're not gonna make it.
Fuck!
My leg! My leg! Oh my God.
We in downtown Norfolk in this bitch.
Bro, fuck downtown Norfolk.
What is you talking about?
Oh my God.
It is.
Bro, I went down to downtown, bro. I read one
650.
time, nigga came into my window, was like, yo, can we not start that shit tonight? I was like, oh God, he pressed.
I'm about to see if anything in here again.
Oh, he
I
waited
ain't gonna lie.
out the car.
I can't shop and hold the camera at one time.
Ain't got any fucking
I don't know. I don't be focused, bro. I be focused on the wrong shit. So if we get anything, I'm gonna catch y'all. If we don't, I'm gonna catch y'all then too. So you did.
Found it.
Bro. But look, gang.
In the shakalaka.
Bro, they Balenci though, bro. But it's Balenci though. That's my size? How much?
Bro, never mind, it's a 12.
How much are they? Oh, they only 500. That's like the cheapest Balencis I ever seen. The doo-doo lenses.
Trey, but get these. Put this shit down. It's trim. It's trim if you get the ass on the slippery ass floor.
Appreciate you. Alright, y'all. Alright, they closed. Trey got some shit.
You know how much this shit was?
We definitely coming back.
The fucking shirt was $250. So
you just spent like 700.
6.
I'm walking to your car. I gotta get my money.
Oh, I guess we walking with them. But damn.
$600.
Nigga, you could have bought my money. You know how you gonna do that, bro? Like,
Oh, that's not my fault.
Yeah.
What's good, brother? See some flame. Deep out here, gang.
That's we have arrived. We arrived, twin. This bitch overly zoomed in. That's good. Appreciate you, son.
What's your name?
East. SRT East. That's good. I got everything. My tits are shadow band, though.
SRT.
ESKII.
Yeah, he the one that hosts this shit, nigga.
Yeah, I know. I came late as a bitch.
Yeah.
But I got stuck in the 757, bro.
Y'all ready to say this nigga be in the 757? I'm
Yeah.
surprised I see your ass on this shit.
I used to live out here, so I was like, fuck it. Come back up here.
man, niggas, bro.
Shit, this shit deep as hell. Feel me?
Nah, you could. You gotta get me. You gotta put my hood on there.
You could want you like.
Everybody like
Ah, it's deep as a bitch. Bro, I lost Tay on the interstate.
I lost all of them.
Yo, what's good, twin? Come over here. Where you at? In the gas station?
Right here.
Oh, I bet. I'm about to walk over there. Yeah, he over there. Oh, yeah.
It's good, chat. I didn't bring the Diddy oil, but we gonna bring it next time, bro.
Hey, yo, what the fuck?
First one, I'm oiling up, bro. Where to?
What? Oh, fuck no. Alright, sir. Yeah. My brother.
What's going on, nigga?
Q-boy number 2.
What's good, son?
Q-boy number 2.
Y'all parked there. Y'all actually in the gas station type shit.
My shit right there. Did y'all have something y'all ride down?
Fuck that shit ass.
Hell
I
no.
left all these niggas.
You by yourself?
Huh?
By yourself?
Oh no, it's us, Tay, Lee.
About 45.
Not too far.
Nah, that shit is deep, bro.
That shit mean.
Nah, it was more nigga shit.
They trap pulling up in here talking about something. Y'all gotta leave. Nobody left. Nobody. they gave up, bro.
They can't do nothing, bro.
Yeah.
He just came and said a little 1-2 and then he just
kept it pushing.
I
just think niggas ain't burning this shit.
They can't do nothing. Chat, what the fuck going? It's Ray 21K. His little ugly ass. Where you at? Oh. Yo, I wish my trunk worked. Yo, Trey, yo. Your trunk work, bro? I'm jealous, bro. Your trunk works, my shit don't work.
Hey, you got impact?
Didi got it, I don't got
I
it.
need a 21. I need a skinny though.
I don't got it. Oh my God. Yo, I'm dick riding, bro. That shit hard. I want a Jeep so bad.
Oh, that's crazy.
You good?
I'm finna come back down here. What leak at? What leak at?
I don't know. I think they went to McDonald's.
This shit's so
Nigga,
fucking.
leak got my 21, bro. I need a skinny one too.
Yo, that shit is like sex, bro.
I got him, but like.
It makes sense, bro.
What happened?
Like everybody just split up. Like eat like a motherfucker.
Alright, y'all. I like, goddamn, I don't even know what the fuck going on.
Guess what just happened, bro? I just ran into a sneaky link.
Oh, shit. Oh, shit. That's Tay. Watch out, watch out. Yo, it's Yacht Club, watch out. What's good, gang?
Oh my. Where you going?
Who in the pit next? What's good, gang? Bad Z. Bad Z. Bad Z. No, Bad Z. Get me up. Bad Z. Bad Z. Hell nah. Fuck no. Alright, chat. I'm somewhere that YouTube isn't gonna let me be. Fuck. Well, never mind. Police said no. Oh shit. Police said no. Oh, never mind. They turned around. What they doing? Yo. Are they sweet?
Hey, man, I like your videos.
Hey, appreciate you, bro.
Hell yeah. I like your car too.
Appreciate you.
Hell yeah.
Wait, the police sweet? What the fuck? I might gotta start coming out to Rich, bro. What the fuck? Damn, maybe they're not sweet. Maybe they're not sweet. Well, I'll see y'all in the next clip.
Hey, that B6. Hey, you
He's gonna call me 7.
Hey.
I tell y'all I'm the best slider, when I tell y'all the best slider here, on God I mean that shit. On God I mean that shit.
No, you got
On everything I love.
you got it.
On everything. On God, I'm gonna catch y'all.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. We outside. Hey. Bro. When I say I really do this shit, I really do this shit. Really do this shit.
Don't at me. I ain't gonna lie.
I'm telling you, I'm aiding everywhere.
All you hear is
Shady. Hell no! Oh shit, no! No! Hell no! Hell no! Oh no! Saturday tripping! Holy shit! Oh! Y'all club run this shit. Y'all club run this shit. God. Y'all club run this shit. Y'all club run this shit. What the fuck? He don't know what he's doing. He don't know what he's doing. He don't know what he's doing. Yo, gang, I'm losing my voice. I gotta put this shit up, bro.
Huh? What?
Hey, run this shit, bro.
Y'all club. Fuck you talking about, nigga?
Look what? Chat, what the fuck going on? Damn. That shit a Johnny, but goddamn, I just clocked out of work, twin. It's the day after what y'all just seen. I ain't gonna lie. We had left after that last spot and then came back home. We got back home at like 4:35 in the morning. Went straight to sleep, bro. But I ain't had no into the video, so yeah.